Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to save money on Cloud Code. Cloud Code can be incredibly productive, but costs can add up if you're not careful. By managing contexts and choosing the right model and avoiding unnecessary work, you can significantly reduce your users' cost while still getting great results. So the point of this video is to have great results with the minimum cost. Now, to do this, you need to use the right model for the right job. Not every task needs the most powerful model. For example, here you have Opus 4.8, Sonnet 4.6, and Haiku 4.5. Haiku is the fastest and cheapest for simple tasks. Sonnet's best balance of cost and performance for most coding work, and Opus is the best for complex debugging, architecture, and large projects. For routine coding tasks, Sonnet is often the most cost-effective choice. So always go for it in case you weren't going for a crazy thing. I know you are very deep into a domain and you think that is the hardest thing to do in life, and you might go eventually to Opus. First of all, start with Sonnet. Try to see the answers that the Cloud Code is gonna give you, and eventually, if you are not satisfied, of course, then you can switch to the other one. The second thing to do as a user who is managing AIs is to keep conversations short. Long conversations consume more tokens because Cloud must remember more information. So instead of keeping one session open for days, start a new session for new tasks. Separate debugging, documentation, and feature development into different conversations. Smaller sessions typically cost less, and the AI will not take longer for going all the way up into the oldest conversation that you started like 3 weeks ago to read them and then continue reading till now, so he can get all the context available. And yeah, by doing so, you will save a lot of money on Cloud Code. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.